All right, everybody, here's your Core Bites number 90. So make sure that you make your corrections and ask us any questions in class if you're not sure about one of these problems. The first one is a chart, and you're doing the input and the output. So Y, the bottom numbers, you find those by following the rule, 5 times X. So 5 times all of those numbers. Each of those numbers will give you your answer, okay? So, for the first one, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 would give you 25. 5 times 8 would give you 40. 5 times 10 would give you 50. And 5 times 12 would give you 60. So that's how you find those. For the next one, you have another chart. And so for this one, you have your totals on the left side. You have your equal groups. And so you're doing a very similar thing. You're trying to say, okay, 7 times 4, so 7 in each group times 4 groups gives you 28. So what times 6? It would be 6. What times 9? It would be 8. And that's how you fill in that chart. You just have to know your multiplication tables. For number 3, write 75 hundredths as a fraction in the lowest terms. So what you've got to do is take this decimal, make it into a fraction. So because it's in the hundredths place, you would do 75 over 100. And so then you would have to say, okay, what can we divide each of these numbers, the numerator and the denominator, by equally, same time. So if you think of quarters, you could divide each of them by 25. So divide them both by 25. So 25 would go into 75 3 times. 25 would go into 100 4 times. So your final fraction would be 3/4. For the next one, you are doing measurements with a protractor. You're looking at the angle. So it says try to give the measurement. So you're looking at the angle right here. So it starts here and it goes all the way over here. So if you can see, it is right there between 160 and 170. So that means this angle right here is in between that, so it's 165 degrees. And then for your last one, is this line a line of symmetry? And your answer would be yes, because if you fold this arrow over, this line segment arrow over, it would be equal on both sides. So yes, that would be a perfect line of symmetry. Okay, so check yours, guys.